Hey guys, in this session we are going to see how to make an operating system, that is a command line operating system using C Sharp and Cosmos. And Cosmos is C Sharp open source managed operating system. Actually it is not an OS, operating system, it is an operating system toolkit. Using it you can make an operating system, either a command line operating system or a GUI based operating system. So we can see the prerequisites. You need an ID. Here I am using Visual Studio 2019. Okay, I think yeah, mine's also 2019, and you need some .NET Core tools and .NET Framework 4.6.2 developer pack. You can see here. You can download it from their site. Okay, I will give the URL on the description. Then you need a virtual machine. They recommend VMware Player or Workstation. VMware Player is free, so that is recommended instead. Here I am using VMware Workstation 16 Player. Okay guys, so we can move straightly to our developing. Okay guys, from Visual Studio 2019 IDE, I'm going to create a new project. Okay, I hope you already installed Cosmos, and you can just type Cosmos, development kit or user kit. Okay, you can see here a project for creating C Sharp, here Visual Basic and F Sharp. I need C Sharp. Okay, we are going to develop it using C Sharp, so I am going with it. Okay, you can give a name here. I'm just giving operating system. Okay, and you can select your location, and you can choose either to store place solution project in the same directory and click on create. Okay, now a snippet will already created for you. A pre-built code you can see there. Okay, you can see console.write line Cosmos booted successfully, type line of text to get it echoed back. Okay, so this is a C Sharp code you can see here. Okay guys, you can see here our project solution here, operating system and kernel.cs, that is C Sharp. Okay, C Sharp file, and I'm just clicking on here to run it. Okay, Cosmos, you can see here it is loading. It will automatically load our virtual machine. Okay, waiting for it. Okay, our virtual machine is here, VMware Workstation. We don't need to manually open it. It will open automatically. You can wait for it. Okay guys, you can see here it is loaded. Yeah, VMware virtual machine. Okay, waiting for debugger connection. Okay, yeah, you can see here Cosmos booted successfully, type a line of text to get it echoed back. Okay, if I am typing hi, it will you can see here, if I am typing here hi and clicking on enter, you can see here text type hi. Okay, so what I'm going to do is making some changes there. Okay, for exiting from here, just click on Control Alt, you will be out of the command line. Okay, then what if I'm just typing here welcome to Android Tech, then it will be echoed back. I'm just closing the virtual machine. Okay, yeah, and again opening it, you can see. Okay guys, now you can see here welcome to Anirudh Tech. Okay, now I'm going to make some other changes. Okay guys, now I'm just removing this line, it is right line input text type. Okay, then what this line does is a console.read line. That means it will read some input from user and store it to this variable, that is input variable. Okay, so now I'm just writing if input equals about ABOUT, then what should happen? Okay, then what? Okay, console dot write line. Okay, other me minus ap. Okay, then what? Console dot Right line means it will write to next line. Okay, then what other and say P, then company and tech. Okay, nice. Now we can see what will happen and just running this. Okay, okay guys, you can see here it is waiting for our input. I'm just giving about. Okay, about, you can see here author and SAP and company and the tech. Okay, now I am just giving another something. Okay, in else if. Okay, else if what happened, that is else if, oh, sorry, else if input equals high. Okay, if it is high, then what should happen? I'm just giving console dot right line hello, just typing hello. Okay, yes. Now if I want to shut down this system, then what should happen? The system means wherever you are booting it into. Okay, then just giving else if input equal to shut down, then what should happen? Okay, I'm just writing. Okay, Cosmos dot system, yeah, system dot power, yeah, power dot what you can see here equals reboot reference shutdown. Okay, yeah, then shutdown. Okay, shutdown, this is a function. Okay, okay, now I'm just saving it, and if you want to reboot it, then another one, else if what, sorry, input equals reboot, then what should happen? Sorry guys, yeah, yeah, Cosmos dot system dot power dot what, reboot. It is a function, so I'm just giving it. Okay guys, now we can check it, and as default I'm just giving an else statement here. Else what should happen? Then console dot write or right line, you can give anything, write what invalid command or something. Okay, so, okay, I'm just closing it. Okay, then yeah, just closing our virtual machine. Okay, and just cleaning our solution. Okay, then I am running our emulator or virtual machine. Okay, now our system is ready. I'm just typing hi. Okay, hi, you can see the reply hello. Then I am just typing some other thing, that is hello. Hello we have not given. Okay, you can see here invalid command. Then I'm just giving shutdown. Okay, shut down, enter. You can see our system is the following device can be connected to this virtual machine using the status. Okay, okay, you can see here it just shut down. Okay, there is one more thing guys. If you need .iso file, so you can just load it to a system independently, and for that just click on your, yeah, click on your project and right click over there and go to properties. You can see here now selected VMware, that is our virtual machine. Just change it to ISO image. Okay, and you can just close it and rebuild again. Okay, then we can see what will happen. Guys, just click on OK. You can see here build once succeeded. For finding the .iso file, just click on your project and go to open folder in file explorer. Okay, go to bin debug. So you can see here you can see here operating system.iso file. This you can see here 25 MB. Okay guys, then also you can make a GUI based OS operating system. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this section guys. If so, please like this video and consider subscribing my channel. You can see another video. Till then, bye.